Setting up Gradebook. I'm in Gradebook and I'm going to click on Settings to set up the Gradebook. So under Settings we have Grade Entry, and I can enter grades as points or percentages. I'm going to keep it at points. Grade Release Rules. I want to display release gradebook items to students throughout the semester. And I'm going to check off display final course grade to students at the end of the semester when I'm finished grading. And I'm going to go down to grading schema, and I can go letter grades with plus minuses, grade points, and pass, not pass. I'm going to go back to letter grades, and this goes from 90% as an A, 80% as a B. I normally round up from like 0.6, so 89.6 I'm going to enter for A, 79.6 for B, 69.6 for C, and 59.6 for D. So you don't have to change these if you don't want to, or you can round up from 0.5. Whatever you want, you can enter in there. And then I'm going to save all my changes. Gradebook groupings. I'm in Gradebook and I want to go to Settings so I can add in some groupings. So I select Categories and Weighting. And under there I can have no categories, categories only, or categories and weighting. As part of that, I can drop the highest, drop the lowest, or keep the highest. I'm going to enter in my category. My first category is assignments, and it's going to be worth 50% of the grades. Next, I'm going to enter in discussions, and that's going to be worth 30% of the grades. Add another category, and you see I have a total of 80%, so I have only 20% left, and I'm going to type in exams and type in 20%. So that's my total categories for my grades, but I'm going to add in an extra credit category and check extra credit, and then save my changes. So once I have the gradebook set up, I can go into my assignments and I can add assignment to gradebook, and then I can choose the grouping and make sure that I post the assignment. And then in tests and quizzes, I have to check off send assessment score to gradebook and then save. Back in my gradebook, I can edit details and add in the categories that way as well. I can check off group by categories, and then I see all the category assignments grouped together, and they are color coded at the top. And that's it for Gradebook.